Welcome to a modern American broccoli and cabbage farm. Every season begins with careful planning. Healthy soil is the foundation of a successful harvest. Large tractors loosen the soil using deep plows, allowing roots to grow strong and absorb nutrients. Farmers spread organic compost and natural fertilizers to improve soil fertility before planting. Next, precision machines level the land to create perfectly even planting beds. High-quality broccoli and cabbage seeds are started in greenhouse nurseries for healthy seedlings. Each seedling receives the perfect amount of water, light, and temperature. After several weeks, the seedlings become strong enough for transplanting. Machines carry thousands of seedlings from the greenhouse to the farm. Modern transplanting machines place each seedling into the soil with perfect spacing. Workers inspect every row to make sure each plant is healthy. Drip irrigation delivers water directly to the roots, reducing waste. Within days, the young plants begin growing rapidly After transplanting, the broccoli field receives its first light irrigation to help the young plants establish strong roots. Drip irrigation supplies water directly to each plant, saving water while encouraging healthy growth. Balanced fertilizer rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium is applied for rapid leaf and stem development. Weeds are removed regularly so broccoli plants receive maximum nutrients, sunlight, and moisture. Farmers inspect the leaves every day to detect insects before they damage the crop. Safe biological sprays are used to protect broccoli from harmful pests while keeping the crop healthy. With proper care, the broccoli leaves grow larger every week and capture more sunlight. Within weeks, every plant becomes stronger with thick stems and dense green foliage. The first broccoli heads begin forming at the center of each healthy plant. Farmers monitor crop growth carefully to ensure every broccoli head develops evenly. The broccoli field is now filled with healthy, dark green heads ready for the final growing stage. Before harvest, every section of the field is inspected to ensure premium quality. After weeks of careful care, the broccoli crop is fully grown and ready for harvesting. After nearly 3 months of careful cultivation, harvest day finally arrives. Farmers begin cutting the mature broccoli heads early in the cool morning. Only firm, dark green broccoli heads with tight florets are selected for premium market quality. Fresh broccoli is packed into clean harvest crates immediately to preserve its freshness and quality. Harvested broccoli is carefully loaded onto refrigerated trucks for rapid transportation to the packing facility. At the processing facility, every broccoli head is thoroughly washed with clean, chilled water to remove dirt and maintain freshness. Rapid cooling removes field heat and helps keep broccoli fresh, crisp, and nutritious for a longer time. Each broccoli head is carefully graded by size, weight, color, and overall quality before packaging. Fresh broccoli is packed into food-safe cartons and retail packaging, ready for supermarkets across the country. Packed broccoli is stored in temperature-controlled cold rooms to preserve its freshness until shipment. Refrigerated trucks transport fresh broccoli across the United States, delivering it to distribution centers and retailers. Fresh broccoli arrives at supermarkets, where customers can enjoy farm-fresh quality every day. Rich in vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants, broccoli is one of America's healthiest vegetables, bringing nutritious meals to families nationwide. From tiny seedlings to supermarket shelves,